How to use a Grabmart voucher. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use a Grabmart voucher. First, make sure you have the Grab application on your phone. If not, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. After that, tap on it and open it. Now, if you're not logged in already, sign in to your Grab account by using your credentials. After that, tap on the Mart option located at the top. Then browse to the available items on Grabmart and select the products you want to buy. After that, tap on the Add to Basket button at the bottom. Then, tap on the Basket button. Next, tap on Place Order at the bottom right corner. After that, look for an option to apply a voucher code on the checkout page. It may be labeled as a promo code or voucher code. Tap on it and enter the voucher code you have. After applying the voucher code, review your order to ensure everything is correct, including the discounted price. If there are any remaining charges after applying the voucher, proceed to complete the payment using your preferred payment method, such as credit or debit card. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.